Wow, this skill has so much work to do. Honestly, I think this guy was the hardest so far because he had some big old numbers. Next, we're going to work on this guy. So let's clear up some space here. All this other work's like infringing on our last problem. So let me get rid of this. All right. So this one has fractions, and so I'm going to be a fraction killer right now, and I'm going to kill these fractions. Now, to kill the fractions, what we have to do is we have to multiply everything by the least common multiple of these denominators. So our least common multiple for 4 and 2 is going to be 4, because I can multiply 4 and I can multiply 2 by something to get 4. So I'm going to multiply everything by 4. When I multiply 4 times the first one, I'm going to get negative 3j. Then I multiply 4 times the second one, I get negative 8. Negative 4 times this one, well, what is half of 4? So 4 times 1/2 would be 4 divided by 2, which is 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So I get plus 2j. And then the last one, last two, I have 4 times 3 over 4. Well, I'm going to use cross canceling on this one. So we have, sorry, not 3 over 4, 3 over 2. I'm going to cross cancel here. I can divide this guy and this guy by 2. So I get 1 and 2 right there. So I get 6 over 1, which is just 6. And then when I multiply the last one right there, that is negative 4j. Dang, look at all that multiplication. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Wow. Okay, the left side right here can use some simplifying because we have some like terms. And when I combine those like terms, that's like negative 3j plus 2j minus 8. I get negative 1j minus 8. And then I'm going to bring this down right here. So I get 6 minus 4j. Okay, what's next? Now, there's many different inverse operations that we can do to solve this. I can kind of like think about what's going to happen in the future, and I don't like negatives. So because there's more j's here, and he is currently negative, I'm going to choose to do 4 plus 4j. Now, I could have subtracted negative 1j from both sides, but I'm going to do it like this so I don't have negative numbers. So on this side, the 4j goes away. On the other side, I get 3j's because negative 1 plus 4 is positive 3 minus 8. Next, I like to get rid of the addition and subtraction first. So this is subtraction. I'm going to get rid of him first before I get rid of multiplication, because when you do that, usually we can avoid some fractions. So we have 3j equals 6 plus 8, which is 14. Ew, we get an ugly answer. That's okay, though. Our last thing we do is we divide by 3. So I'm going to divide by 3, both sides. That's a 3 right here. Yeah, 3. Okay, so then I get my final answer, which is j equals 14 over 3. Best part about algebra is you don't have to change the improper fraction to a mixed number. You can just leave it as long as it's simplified. And because I cannot divide 4 and 3 by anything in common, I can just leave it as it is. And that's how you do that equation.